Hello, everybody. Lone Wolf Rick here, and today I'm on Tropicana Avenue here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And this road's kind of all screwed up, so we're going to take a look at it so you can kind of gauge your traffic if you're coming into town this weekend or any weekend, because this is going to be messed up for quite a while. Right now, I'm at the corner of Polaris and Tropicana, and this is the area where it starts going down to two lanes. And it's pretty much two lanes. It's like all the way down to the Las Vegas Strip from this point on. We'll just kind of walk in here and take a look and see what we can see here. The first thing I wanted to show you was remember, this is where the Wild Wild West Hotel and Casino was, right across from us here, where it's now just vacant dirt. So that casino hotel has been demolished. It is completely gone now since the last time I was down here in this area. So Station Casino said they were going to tear it down, and they sure did. So now it'll be interesting to see. It's like what kind of project they actually put there, and if they'll compete against the Strip, against the big boys. You know, they're a local company. It's like they have nice casinos. It's like, with Red Rock and Green Valley Ranch and the other casinos that they have. It's like in their portfolio, but this would be more of like a kind of competing against the Strip and the big boys. So we'll see what they do with this land here. So I'll just kind of walk the area here, walk the Tropicana, and we'll take a look at everything that's going on. They are completely redoing the off ramps here on Tropicana. So I would advise, let's say, if you're going off of Interstate 15 and going on to the Las Vegas Strip, I would use Flamingo or one of the other, Russell Road, or one of the other side streets here, because Tropicana, you can't get onto the to Tropicana southbound, as that's the area that they're working on right now. And then after they finish that, they'll work on the northbound off ramps. And there's been period of times when they've actually had Tropicana completely closed from the Strip up to Polaris. So, like I said, it's like, if you're making plans to go anywhere in Las Vegas, and it involves probably going Tropicana, make an alternate plans. It's like take an alternate route, take a little bit of time to study it, take a look, and see what you want to, how you want to get around all this mess here. I would imagine it's like all these businesses here, and I actually read this a little bit, where all these businesses here are kind of suffering a little bit. It's like, nobody can get to them, but, it'll be better in the long run. I think it's like they're expanding or widening the off ramps, and so it'll be better in the long term prospects. But for right now, especially when the road was closed, it was closed for, I think, around 10 days at the end of January. So, and I'm sure there's going to be other times when it'll be completely closed also. So, take a look. There's the properties along the Strip there, backside of them. That In-N-Out Burger is right there in the middle of the kind of in the middle of the construction zone. Once we walk up here, you'll be able to see it's like right behind it is where they're doing the off ramp and everything. You'll be able to see all the work being done and all the workers working on it. Up this way, you get some of the hotels and motels. So I'm sure it was kind of a pain. It's like, if they had reservations for the time period, it's like when the road was closed during all those days. Try to get a hold of all the people and let them know that there would only be one way in or out, and that would be going up Dean Martin to I guess Warm Springs, actually right around that area, then circling back around. So kind of a kind of interesting. Or if they couldn't get a hold of people, I'm sure there was probably some upset, ticked off people. So I've always enjoyed this walk actually here on Tropicana. If you were staying in one of those like suites, suite hotels or whatever, there, it's like a walk. It's about a 15-20 minute walk to the strip, but it's a good exercise walk, and it's just really a pleasant walk most of the time. And you do see a lot of people walking it. It's like they stay in those properties also. So all right, so we're coming up here. You can see the southbound ramp on this side. It's open for the traffic. It's like traffic can get to I-15. It's just on the other side. And if you're going to go northbound, uh, that's completely closed off. See the flyover there, has completely been, at least half of it anyways, completely tore down, as they're going to build a completely new one. So that's what's going to take a lot of the time. So take a look at all the work being done down there. See right there, that flyover. If you remember, if you were coming southbound, you took that ramp off, you'd actually go on the flyover over Tropicana and then down and around and connect with the Tropicana down below there. See the traffic there on I-15 flowing through. Now I'm recording this on Friday, Super Bowl weekend, so that traffic by tomorrow, it's like will really be jam-packed with everybody coming into town and getting their hotel rooms and starting to make their Super Bowl bets. Super Bowl weekend, one of the busiest weekends of the year for Las Vegas. A lot of money changes hands. You can see the traffic. It's like right here. Um, it's this little section right here is actually down to one lane both ways. So I guess it's still two lanes of traffic. but it's still a pretty tight squeeze. Now the traffic coming back up this way, you can see it's like sometimes it's all the way backed up to the Las Vegas Strip. The traffic coming back up, westbound on Tropicana, and literally it'll be back to the Strip. So it's pretty slow going. And so, like I said, it's like make other arrangements if you possibly can. Save yourself some aggravation and some time. All right, everybody. It's like I'll walk a few seconds more, but I think that's pretty much going to do it for this video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We greatly appreciate that. To all the subscribers, everybody who watches our videos, thank you very, very much. We appreciate your support and appreciate you watching as we try to keep you up to date on what's going on here in Las Vegas. All right, everybody, take care and stay healthy, okay? And we'll see you all in the next video. Hey, bye-bye, everybody.